Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sell crypto on Gemini. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click sign in. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Market. On this tab, you will see the list of cryptos. Click on the crypto you wish to sell. After selecting a crypto, you will be directed to this page. On the right side, you will see three tabs: Buy, Sell, and Convert. Click on Sell. Now, enter the amount you wish to sell. After entering, click on Review Order. Review the order summary. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. Now a pop-up message will appear saying that your sell order is complete. That's how you sell crypto on Gemini. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.